If a study looks interesting, call and ask your questions. It's perfectly okay to have a ton of questions, and you'll get answers, and you'll be able to sit down and say, yeah, maybe that does sound good, or maybe it isn't the right one for you, and then just keep looking, because there's one out there that probably will be.
I think that if I could give encouragement to the individual starting off in that dialogue with some sort of a researcher, an investigator, a clinician, I would say ask all the questions that pop into your head, and you should get good answers.
Questions that people should ask before participating in a research study, there's a lot. One is, who's funding the study? Where's the money that's coming to pay for the study? I don't think that drug company studies are necessarily bad, but it's important to know who is funding the study. I think you need to know that. You need to know what's going to be expected of you during the study, and if you have any questions you want to ask, and make sure that that's completely clear in your mind. Because you oftentimes, you'll be given a consent form and it's many pages long. You need to understand what steps you need to take if you want to stop being in the research project, as well as what to do if there's problems that happen after you've been in the research project or while you're in the research project.
Whether there will be an intervention involved, because some studies, of course, involve some kind of medication or some kind of perhaps therapy, whereas other studies are really just observational, so really trying to understand what's behind the presenting problems, such as depression or anxiety. What are maybe some of the side effects of a medication treatment? Whether there's compensation, whether there's free parking, that kind of thing. And then a lot of people also just want to know how their participation may benefit society overall. So even if there isn't a direct benefit to them, how might their participation help other people with similar problems in the future?